Good day. So, our lesson for today is about finding the quotient of numbers, okay, in scientific notation. We will be having steps. We will be using steps. Step one is, of course, you are going to subtract the exponent, right? And next to that, or step two, is, of course, divide the numbers or the decimals. So let's have an example so that we can apply the steps. If I have 2.11 times 10 to the fifth power over 1.12 times 10 to the third. So of course, first subtract the exponent. So let's copy this one. And then our base is 10. Then we have the 5 as our exponent minus the next exponent is 3. Therefore, 10 to 5 minus 3 is 10 to the second. Great. Now, let's have our step 2. Step 2 is you are going to divide 2.11 over 1.12. So, using your calculator, you can easily find the quotient of these two numbers. And the quotient of these two numbers will be, all right, so that is, okay, so let's use the calculator now. It's 1.8839. So on and so forth, because it's continuous approaches infinitely. So let's get the three digits, 1.883. But as you can see that 9 beside 3 is 9. So we can round it off 3 to 4. So times, let's copy 10 to the second, which we did in the step 1. And that is our final answer, 1.884 times 10 to the second. Okay? Now, let us have another example. If we have step 1 using the steps that we used. Step 1, if I have, let's say, 2.33 times 10 to the 6th power divided by, if I have 4.11 times 10 to the second power. So using step 1, of course, we have to divide the exponent. Our exponents are 6 and 2 by copying the base 10. So we have 10 raised to the 6 minus 2. That will give you 10 to the fourth power. So that will be our base for our for our numbers. And step 2, our step 2 will be divide. Of course, we have to divide the numbers 2.33 and 4.11. So let's write it down. Okay, so we have 2.33 over 4, okay, over 4.11. So using again your calculator, you can easily find the quotient of these two numbers. So we have, okay, 2.33 divided by 4.11, that will give you, okay, 0. Okay, 0.566 and 9, so on and so forth. So we will just get the first four digits. So we have, of course, 0.566. We just need three decimals. So we will round it off rather 6. So we have 0.567 times 10 to the fourth power. We will just copy this one. Okay. So we have, let's bring it here. So 10 to the fourth power. Okay. Now, my question is this written in scientific notation? Since that is 0.567 times